If you're managing your child's home education, you know the feeling of drowning in scattered worksheets and sticky notes. Today, we're sweeping away that chaos. Welcome to your Parent-Child LMS portal. This dashboard is your new command center, a single digital hub replacing physical tracking. You'll learn 4 core capabilities: enrolling your student, tracking daily progress, reviewing assessments, and accessing supplementary resources. Mastering this platform directly translates to your daily life. You reclaim hours of lost study time every week, eliminating the stress of managing home education. Step 1 is getting your student set up with their material. From your main dashboard, look to the top right and click to open the course catalog. This modal brings up the available subjects. Browse using category tags like research or technology to find what you need. Adding a subject takes 1 click. Hit Enroll Now, and it immediately locks in their access. Back on the dashboard, the Experimental TH11 course card is active. To monitor daily progress, scroll down to the Recent Activity feed for a chronological audit of completed lessons. For a broader health check, look to the top metric cards. With this real-time data at your fingertips, you no longer have to ask for verbal progress updates. The dashboard shows you what they've accomplished before they even leave their desk. Let's dig into the actual coursework. Click on any active course card to open its syllabus. Here in the Lessons tab, the curriculum is laid out sequentially, identifying modules as completed, in progress, or not started. Pay close attention to the Time Spent widget in the top right, which tracks actual study duration against allocated expectations. This data is highly actionable. If a student finishes a 1-hour lesson in 5 minutes, they might be rushing. If they are stuck on a 15-minute concept for 2 hours, you know exactly when to step in and offer support. Clicking into a specific module launches the reader interface. The content format is completely distraction-free. Complex topics are broken down into digestible text segments, step-by-step instructions, and clean reference tables. This predictable layout prevents cognitive overload. Your student can focus purely on learning the material, rather than fighting a confusing interface. Once a lesson is complete, select the Quizzes tab to check their understanding. This summary shows their assessment scores side by side, making it easy to spot which modules they passed and which ones they failed. This detailed results page breaks down their score. The system flags answers with green and red borders to isolate disconnects. Incorrect answers include explanatory feedback underneath, providing the exact context for reteaching. Finally, click Retake Quiz for a new attempt. These assessments are not punitive. They are completely transparent diagnostic tools that tell you exactly where to offer help. If your student needs extra help outside the standard lessons, navigate to the Resources tab. This area provides supplementary learning materials in multiple formats, including recorded video links and downloadable files. You can open the detailed view of a specific resource to check its contents before saving it. For video recordings, you get a detailed timestamp breakdown, allowing you to jump straight to the exact topic they need to review. Providing curated, platform-native resources keeps your students safely within the educational ecosystem, preventing them from getting lost or distracted by searching the open web. In just a few minutes, we have moved from scattered paperwork to complete digital organization. This platform provides effortless parental oversight while giving your student a structured environment to work independently. Your next step is straightforward. Log into your portal, open the course catalog, and set up your first subject together. You now possess a complete digital toolkit. You are fully equipped to remove the guesswork and stress from managing home education.